Hey guys, Steve, KO4AFL, and today I'm going to go over Easy Map Maker and how to make a great looking map where you can track your POTA activations and hunted POTA parks. Start by logging into the POTA.app website so we can pull all of the data that it relates to us. Scroll down to Park List in the hamburger menu on the left, then scroll down to United States and select your state or the state you're interested in. Download the CSV file. Make sure you save it someplace where you can find it on your computer. And then we're going to go over to easymapmaker.com. Grab that file and literally drag it in to their website. And you can click set options. Under the group field, you're going to select my POTA, or my activations. And then you will set your marker colors. And looks like I selected activations by accident. So let me correct that here. And I just change all my markers to blue on parks I've already been to, red on parks I need to go to. And I unchecked the enable clustering so I can see each park individually. And you click on make the map, and there you go. Then you have the option to save the map, and you can fill out the file information there. And then you can also create a custom URL. Mine will be down in the links below. So you can display that map to people on Facebook, YouTube, or wherever, or Twitter even. You can do the same for hunted parks. Here I'm going down to the Dominican Republic. I'm going to pull one of their entities that I've hunted quite a bit. Save the file. Back over to Easy Map Maker. Quick refresh of the website. It'll allow me to repaste that data. And same thing. In the groups, you're going to select My Hunted QSO and set your markers. Make the map. And the green doesn't show up real well, but I've got the green are parks I've hunted, red are parks I need. Just need to get on the air and hunt some more. Let's see, I've got Texas and Connecticut are almost done here in the States, so let's take a look at those. Again, scroll down to the US. Download the file. Yeah, you actually have to click the CSV so it saves that file. But let's scroll down to Texas and grab that one. There we go. Reload the Easy Map Maker. Paste in the Texas data. And again, My Hunted QSOs. Set your colors, whatever you'd like. And make your map. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.